Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to uninstall the Claude desktop application. So first of all, you need to make sure that you completely close your desktop application if you are using it before uninstalling it. Now, after doing this, simply just right click on your desktop, then click on the option of the taskbar settings. You can also directly use the search bar and then you can search for the settings. Now, when you are inside the settings of your desktop, you need to simply click on the option of apps. Inside the apps, click on the option of installed apps. Over here, simply wait for the some time for the applications to basically load. Then simply use the search bar here on the top and search for Claude. Now, when you are able to find the Claude application over here in this list, you need to simply click on the three dots right next to it. Then click on the option of uninstall. Afterwards, you just have to follow further instructions, which are going to be simple instructions. You just have to follow them in order to uninstall or in order to remove the application from your device. You can also use the search bar and then you can search for the option of the control panel. And here, when you are inside the control panel option, you are going to see the option of uninstall a program. Over here too, you can search for the program by the name, or you can also search for this Claude AI's application over here. So when you are able to find it, simply double click on it and click on the option of uninstall. So this way you will be able to uninstall the application. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.